have to be big. So she just Good morning, guys.
She says why.
Good morning, Shan.
Oh, morning.
Alright, guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I am Shakir. I do vlogs, lifestyle, morning routine. Be quiet in the video. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, hey, I am Shakir. This is my sister, Sassy Shan. She's a part of everything for me, so she has to be a part of my morning routine. So this is the school morning routine, guys. It is currently 5:06. We should have been up already. So I don't know why she's still in bed. But yes, guys, if you have not yet subscribed, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, click the bell so you notified every time I make a video. If you guys are interested in vlogs and so on, you can also check out my sister's channel. Well, if you're not interested in my videos, or not interested enough here, so please go ahead, link in the description. Come share for yesterday, know what I'm look for. That girl here. So this face, it's not always like this though. Wake up, honey. Anyways, guys, let us get into the rest of this video. Alright, guys, so normally in the mornings my sister would pack lunch and I will like cook breakfast since we're both in the kitchen. So this morning actually, and sometimes I'll wash the plates. The plates actually needs to wash, but I don't know if I'm gonna get to do it because I need to do the pancakes. So we're gonna get the pancake mix and the bowl and all of that. So so pancake mix. So we have this one. We bought this one the last time. So it's the Hungry Jack complete buttermilk pancake and waffle mix. And wait for it. Because we normally love the confetti ones, I put this in it. So I put the confetti in it, in the pancakes. So yeah, let's make pancakes, guys. Alright, we don't have to use this one. I'm glad me I talk to Sarah, but I have to use this one because I don't want to pull. So this is the next, guys. I'm gonna put too much oil in it for some reason. I can't do this with one hand, guys. I'm supposed to be holding the pot. So. Oh yeah, Shanique fixed the break because we're not carrying any lunch today. You ready for lunch? So yes, just turning. Maybe I didn't realize that me not tell you vlog. So I have to give her the second stage. Probably it into here, but the other one no. I'm gonna try to light up now, guys. Oh, kind of. Yeah. Alright, guys, this is how I have to do my sister's pancake. They have to be big. So she just eat like 2 big pancakes or sometimes just 1. So yeah. I'm trying to flatten it a bit so it cook properly. Alright, so yeah. Alright guys, so I'm gonna shower that little chick. In the mornings we have to fight her to eat, so I'm gonna finish fighting her, then I'm gonna shower. I'll see you guys in a sec. My hair needs to flat iron, that's why it's up off because I washed it yesterday. Yeah. So it's currently, I think, about 2 minutes after 7. Normally me kind of leave out already, but kind of running late, so just leaving out. And that kid and I reach out at the house out now.
Come on the other side, do that, baby.
I can't sit down for now. You don't want to sit down? Alright, mama. Alright guys, so I just drop off Jinjin and I'm walking to my school right now. Good morning. Alright guys, so just ending the vlog. I forgot to end the vlog. I'm just ending the vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching my little morning routine. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.